Myself, Raj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, man-forging process subject, the topic is thermoforming process, in which this is one of the type of the thermoplastic process. So we are having two types of plastic, thermosetting and thermoplastic process. There are so many form of raw material for processing of plastic into final product. The commonly used form of pellet, sheet, powder, rod, tubing, etc. Generally, liquid plastic are used in the fabrication of reinforcement plastic parts. The thermoplastic can be processed to their final size and shape with the help of the following process, that is injection molding, blow molding, thermoforming, extrusion and rotational molding. But in this video only we are going to see the thermoforming process. It is a series of process for forming thermoplastic sheet or film over a mold with the applications of heat and pressure. It is used in packaging of consumer product and to fabricate large parts like bathtub and internal door liners, etc. It consists of two main steps, heating and forming. Heating is carried out by radiant electric heater located on one or both sides of the starting plastic sheet. Timing of heating depend on the type of polymer, its thickness and color. The method by which the forming carried out are as follows. It's a vacuum forming and pressure forming. Vacuum forming, it employs a clamp to grid the plastic sheet having thickness of about 0.1252 to 3.2 mm around its circumference. Refer this diagram. And a heater is used to bring the polymers to a temperature of about 55 degree to 90 degree until it begins to sag. Through the small holes in the die, vacuum is applied and the sagging plastic sheet is thus pulled tightly against the mold, acquiring the mold shape as the mold is colored. The polymer is chilled and stiffened by die contact. The next diagram shows the insist of vacuum. Sometimes hot air is used to drive the plastic sheet into female mold cavity. This is the diagram for the thermoforming, that is in which vacuum forming process. Then pressure forming, it involves the positive pressure, that is a no vacuum, to force the heated plastic into mold cavity. It is also called the blow forming process. The main advantages of pressure forming over vacuum forming is that a higher pressure can be developed on the component. The process sequence is similar to vacuum forming, the difference being that the sheet is pressurized from above into mold cavity. Vent holes are provided in the mold to exhaust the trapped air. The forming portion of the sequence is you can see this figure. In the first figure shows the sheet is placed over a mold cavity. So you can see the image. First heated plastic sheet and the pressure box and mold and clamps are there. In second figure shows the vacuum. The positive pressure forces the sheet into cavity. The air is flowing inside the cavity. So mold by the pressure of this cavity, we are expanding the material. Then advantages of thermoforming. Initial cost of mold is low, time required for setup is low, production cost is low. During the process, less thermal stresses are produced, intricate shapes are easily formed, the holes in the mold are generally less than 0.5 mm, hence it will not leave any mark on the formed component. Generally, mold are made of aluminum because high strength is not required. The disadvantages of thermoforming. The component with opening or holes cannot be produced by this process. It is a drawing and sketch operation, hence the material should exhibit high uniform elongation, otherwise it will neck and fail. Then applications of thermoforming. The thermoforming is used for producing small jelly containers used in restaurant, luggage bag and refrigerator inner panels and containers for packing. Also used for forming of panels for shower stall, shower shawl, and advertising sink.